And our bite of the week comes from the chairman of the Integrity Commission. He was defending the quality of their work and the character of IC officials. Here's our bite of the week.
It may well be that she needs to have a word with some members of the House. I don't know if something is wrong with the water in Parliament, why some people, the moment they get into Parliament, they say certain things and behave a certain way. I decided that I wasn't going to take the chance of drinking any water here.